From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
I'm student meteorologist Vivian Rennie, and here is a look at today's forecast. Overall, a relatively nice day here in Center County. We are starting to see those very first few snowflakes moving into our valleys today, and that's going to start signaling the storms that are going to be moving into our area over the next few days. Right now, 28 degrees. Overall, it's feeling a little bit colder than that at only 21, but visibility is at 10 miles, and the wind is coming from the east-southeast at 7 miles an hour. As we look towards the temperatures across our area, it's going to be relatively cold throughout much of the center of the state. Only 29 degrees in Clearfield, and generally in this pattern, we're going to be seeing those coldest temperatures as you move up and towards the west of us. So in the northwest of our state, 27 in Bradford, 30 in Erie, but the warmer areas of our state are going to be down at Philadelphia at 34, and that's going to play a very large role in the precipitation type that they will be experiencing for these next two storms rolling into our area. As we look at our radar and satellite for today, overall relatively clear here in State College right now, just some high clouds, but that's going to start changing very rapidly as this storm starts to move into our area, and that's really going to be what we're going to be seeing in the next few days. We're going to see 1 to 3 inches of accumulation here in State College, and that's going to be the story for much of Center County and into the Commonwealth. This whole storm is going to be moving out of our area soon, making way for another storm over the weekend. Our forecast for today, 29 degrees, mostly cloudy skies. As we move into those afternoon hours, we will start to be seeing some snow, and that's going to last throughout the night. 27 degrees tonight. Snow will be prevalent all night long, getting those accumulation amounts about 1 to 3 inches. Winds coming from the south at 5 miles an hour. Tomorrow, lots of things are going to be changing quite quickly. In the morning, while it's still quite cold, we will be seeing that morning snowfall, but it's going to warm up quite rapidly. 38 degrees tomorrow. That's warmer than we've been seeing in the last few days by quite a few degrees. And then it'll be mostly cloudy throughout most of the day, but the winds will have shifted, coming from the south originally, now from the west at 5 miles an hour, and that's what's going to be bringing in a new storm into our area. And as we look at that new storm, currently it's out there on the Great Plains, but it's going to continue to move into our area. By Friday at 1 a.m., it's going to be in our area. We're starting to see those first flakes right now of this storm, but this shouldn't last too long. It'll be out of our area by Friday evening, and that clearing is going to cause all of the space it needs for this next big storm to really start moving into our area, and that's going to bring the largest snowfall amounts. And this is the storm that you've most likely been seeing all over social media and all of your other news sources. This storm is going to be a tricky one to predict because of this tight gradient line, and we're going to be sitting right on that. And as we look at the potential for this storm, our exact amounts are not known yet, but all you need to know is that it will be a very large storm, so you should be stocking up on everything essential for your household. How far inland the storm will come will determine that track and how much precipitation and what kind of precipitation you will be getting at your house. We will most likely be experiencing mostly snow here, but that chance for that mixed precipitation will make roads very dangerous, so it will be best to stay inside and off the roads, and that'll be safest for you and your family. As it continues to move, we are going to be right on this band between the snow and the rain for quite a while, and that's really what can bring the most hazardous precipitation to our area. This thankfully will be clearing out for any plans that you have on Martin Luther King Jr. Day. We will be able to start getting roads cleared quite early in the morning, and then we'll be able to really get on with getting rid of all this snow and enjoying the holiday. As we move into our 7-day forecast, it's going to continue to clear up, bringing a few more chances of rain and snow. But overall, we're just going to be continuing to be battered by these storms. As we move through the next 7 days, it's going to be a very much inclement weather-stricken forecast. As I said, today, some evening snow showers, and then Friday we will be seeing those morning snow showers before it starts to clear out for those afternoon hours, leading to the storms that are going to be prevalent on Saturday and Sunday. Those are our biggest weather-causing days, and it will be very much a problem here in Center County, but hopefully that's going to be cleared all the way out of the area by Monday and Tuesday, where the problem will be shifting from the precipitation and into the temperatures. We will be going all the way down to 0 degrees and 1 degrees as those overnight lows on Monday and Tuesday. Getting a little bit warmer on Wednesday, where we'll be getting out of that bitterly cold temperatures. But overall, this is going to be a week to really be paying attention to the weather and really keeping your family prepared for whatever this next week will bring. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Vivian Rennie.